Hi, how are you?
I am doing well. What about you?
I am fine.
Where are you studying now?
I am studying in Dhaka University.
Do you miss your school life?
Yes, I miss my school life very much.
What did you like to do the most when you were in primary school?
When I was in primary school, I loved to do art the most. I think it was mainly because of my art teacher. She had a unique style of teaching and made it all so fun for us. She was also very patient, creative, and caring. She would tell us to draw from our hearts and would always appreciate our creations.
How did you go to your primary school?
I used to take the school bus to go to primary school. The bus stop was right next to my house and all my neighborhood friends would come there to take the bus.
How do you like your primary school?
I really liked my primary school. I made a lot of good friends there who are still my friends. The teachers were knowledgeable, helpful, encouraging, and made learning enjoyable. There were so many extracurricular activities to choose from, like music, cricket, basketball, etc.
What did you do in your leisure time in primary school?
During leisure time, we were encouraged to do some physical activities like playing cricket, football, or basketball with classmates.
Let's talk about your high school. What is your high school like?
The building and capacity of my high school were very big. And one thing I admired the most about my school library was that it was perfect and fully decorated all the time with books and various prizes. Apart from that, the teachers were very nice and properly educated. During study time, they always tried to maintain decorum in class.
Are you still in contact with your friends from high school?
Yes, I am in contact with my friends from high school. Many of them are now in different cities and countries. But we stay in touch through social networking apps, and we also have reunions sometimes.
What happened on the first day of high school?
I don't remember exactly what happened. However, I remember that all my classmates and I felt that we had entered an important stage in our lives and that we had grown up now.
Did your parents choose your secondary school for you?
Yes, my parents made the decision about my high school. I gave my part of the suggestion, but the final decision was made by my parents.
What subjects did you study in secondary school?
I studied many subjects in secondary school like social sciences, mathematics, the Bengali and English languages, geography, science, art and crafts, etc.
What was your favorite subject in secondary school?
My favorite subject in secondary school was science. I liked science subjects because I learned about the basic principles of the way things work all around us.
And which subject did you like the least?
I loved all the subjects in my high school. I believe every subject we study has its own role in our life. I focus on everything equally.
Which secondary school subject do you think is most useful for people in adult life?
I think all the subjects that we study in secondary school are useful for people in adult life. A strong foundation is built in the primary and high school years that helps us throughout our lives.
What part of your secondary school education did you enjoy most?
I enjoyed my secondary school education a lot. There is no one part that I liked more than the other. I liked the fact that our school had an equal focus on extracurricular and physical activities, and not just on the academics.
Nice to know about your school life. Have a good day. Goodbye. See you again.
Bye, take care, see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video. Subscribe.